This is the Aqara U200 Smart Lock, and Aqara claims it can make your front door smarter, more secure, and a whole lot more convenient. But here's the interesting part. It's one of the first retrofit smart locks to support Apple HomeKey, which means you can unlock your door just by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch. Sounds amazing, right? Well, after digging through expert reviews and real-world testing, I found a few things Aqara doesn't exactly highlight in the marketing. Some of them are great, others, not so much. So is the Aqara U200 actually worth your hard-earned cash, or should you stick with the smart lock you've already got? Let's find out. Aqara U200 Smart Lock Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Aqara U200 is a retrofit smart lock released in 2026 by Aqara, a company that's become one of the biggest names in the smart home world. Unlike many smart locks that require replacing your entire deadbolt, the U200 installs over your existing lock, making it particularly attractive for renters and homeowners who don't want major modifications. Its biggest selling point is matter over thread support, combined with Apple HomeKey compatibility. In simple terms, it works with Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and other Matter-compatible ecosystems, while offering one of the smoothest unlocking experiences available for Apple users. Aqara U200 Smart Lock Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the Aqara U200 gets really interesting. Most reviewers found the lock responsive and reliable in everyday use. The Fingerprint reader is particularly impressive, offering fast authentication that feels nearly instant when you're carrying groceries or rushing inside after work. Apple HomeKey support is arguably the star of the show. Simply tapping an iPhone or Apple Watch to the keypad feels surprisingly futuristic. And because of Apple's Power Reserve feature, it can even work when your device battery is extremely low. Matter over thread connectivity is another major advantage. Compared to older Wi-Fi-based smart locks, Thread generally offers faster response times and improved efficiency. Users invested in multiple smart home platforms will appreciate not being locked into a single ecosystem. But it's not all perfect. Several reviewers noted that the locking mechanism can be noticeably loud. If you're coming home late at night and trying not to wake anyone up, you'll definitely hear the motor. Aqara includes a quiet unlock mode, which helps reduce noise, but it doesn't completely eliminate it. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features. Apple HomeKey support. This is arguably the killer feature. Instead of opening an app or entering a code, you simply tap your iPhone or Apple Watch against the keypad. It feels effortless and is one of the closest experiences we've seen to using a hotel room key at home. For Apple users, this alone could justify the price. Multiple unlocking methods. The U200 gives you plenty of options: fingerprint, PIN code, NFC card, smartphone app, Apple HomeKey, and traditional physical keys. That's fantastic for families, guests, and backup access scenarios. Auto lock and door detection. The lock can detect whether your door is closed and automatically lock it afterward. That's one of those features you don't think you need until the day you forget to lock your front door. Design and build. Aesthetically, the U200 is functional rather than beautiful. The keypad looks modern and premium enough, but the interior lock module is definitely on the bulky side. Multiple reviewers specifically called out its large footprint compared to some competitors. If you're looking for the sleekest smart lock on the market, this probably isn't it. The good news is that build quality appears solid. Aqara uses metal where it matters most, and installation is relatively straightforward, since it retrofits onto existing lock hardware. Pros. Matter over thread makes it highly future-proof. Multiple unlocking methods for maximum flexibility. Retrofit installation keeps your existing lock hardware intact. Cons. Motor can be noticeably noisy. Some firmware and setup issues have been reported. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem, the Aqara U200 is one of the most compelling smart locks available today. Apple HomeKey support is genuinely useful, and the Matter over Thread connectivity means you're getting a lock that should remain relevant for years. If you're a smart home enthusiast who values interoperability, this is also an easy recommendation. Few locks offer this level of ecosystem flexibility.